The Milestone MasterCard can cost up to $175 in annual fees in the first year, and some versions keep charging up to $99 every year after that. That makes the fee structure the first thing to check before you accept the card. By the end of this, you'll know what Milestone actually costs, how those fees affect your credit line, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Here's the direct answer. Milestone is an unsecured credit card made for people with poor or damaged credit. That means no security deposit. You don't have to lock up $200 or more like with cards from Capital One or Discover. That lowers the upfront barrier. But the annual fee can be much higher. Milestone has multiple offer versions. Some charge $35 a year. Some charge $75. Some can reach $175 in year one. That's a big range. And in many cases, the annual fee is deducted from your starting credit limit. If your limit is $300 and a $175 fee posts, your usable credit drops to $125 immediately. That pushes your credit utilization over 58% before you spend a dollar. That can hurt your score. Section 1. Interest. Milestone cards usually come with high APRs. That means carrying a balance adds another layer of cost fast. If you spend $200 and only make minimum payments, interest keeps stacking. This card works best if you pay in full every month. That keeps the total cost closer to just the annual fee. Section 2. What you actually get. Milestone reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. That's the main reason people use it. It builds payment history and helps establish revolving credit. There are no rewards, no cashback, and usually, no upgrade path. That makes it a pure rebuilding tool. Section 3. Is it worth it? If you've been denied by lower-cost cards like Mission Lane or Pedal, Milestone can still be a backup. Why? But the fee structure makes it expensive. That's the trade-off. Quick recap. Milestone can cost between $35 and $175 depending on your offer. There's no security deposit. The biggest risk is losing usable credit to fees immediately. Your next step is simple. Pre-qualify first and compare the exact fee against at least one secured card before accepting. If this helped you avoid overpaying, like the video and subscribe.